As Kabir, Sant Kabir Das, has said, in the silence of the heart, the drop merges with the ocean. This giving us a direct experience of the divine through the inner stillness. Now this is something for everyone. For everyone to not only grasp or have this be revealed to you, but to integrate and embody that. Well, look at Meher Baba. Take him as an example. Because through many intervals of his teachings, he used to retreat away from everyone and say, I'll be back in 40 days. While in today's life, people are sending text messages all the time and expect to be replied to. In the past, Meher Baba used to receive a letter and he would take his right time to make sure he has the ink to write his letter and reply back. Could have taken a month for that message to be received and replied to, sometimes even more. And yet we live in this constant bombardment of such great noise, even within, because texting messages and constantly in communication, this takes away that silence of the heart. It takes it away. It's not normal anymore to have those moments of nothing, emptiness, not thinking about the next thing you want. And how do you feel with like these pauses of silence? Because I do feel some minds are like being pulled left and right. Yeah, where the mind is kind of feels uncomfortable even to sit in that silent awareness. The mind says, what is there to grasp? What am I taking out of this? And what now? this means nothing to me. What's next? I invite you to witness your inner voices, to witness those pulls and squeezes in your body. You may notice when you sit in silence, you begin to hold your horses. Begin to learn how to hold this great strength of the mind, just like holding back a horse. And in that midst of the moment, maybe even now for a few of you, you may notice an inner burning sensation, or some fire or heat that arises. And when you sit in this way, you surely begin to burn and to weaken that momentum of mind. How all the desires arise. And your preferences. Or all the distractions in the mind. Oh, what am I going to cook later on? Or, oh, did I reply to that message? Oh, this morning was beautiful. All the chatter. And you sit in that silent awareness. This is why Guru Nanak has stated that silent awareness is a disciplined practice that quiets the ego's turbulence. And it is through that the doorway allows one to experience the divine light that permeates all creation. So if you think you're like a hermit, running away from everybody, running away from all social scenarios. And if you think that if you find your cozy, quiet place in your house and passively, the mind relaxes. Now I'm alone, nobody disturbing me. But yet within, there's so much activity going on. That is not the right approach. To truly experience the divine light, to truly experience the presence of God. And in that silence, God speaks. Yes, God speaks.